So Heidi and I are on our next big adventure.
Oh.
Our anniversary of
10 years.
10 years. And it's kind of where we all started, is where I asked her to marry me. There is so much at this location to do. It's called Ohiopyle.
One of our favorites.
And we've already done a video on Ohiopyle, so we're going to try the vlog thing.
Kenny thinks that's a new word.
Vlog.
He's like, it's called a vlog. I'm like, hey.
Yeah, I'm not used to vlogging. You don't see my face on these videos very often, and that's for a reason. We do have the Trail Seeker back on the road, so our idea is to bring you along for our activities. And as you can see, we got the box trailer stuffed full. What's some of the things we're hoping to get into, babe?
Well, we're gonna definitely mountain bike, and we got our dual sports in there somewhere, and we're gonna go to Stonehouse and get some dinner, because that's where we went our anniversary. He asked me to marry him. We're gonna stay at the Ohiopyle State Park. That's where we camped, and we have a kayak, and we're gonna maybe double ducky kayak depending on water level. I'm sure Kenny will do it regardless. Yeah, and maybe hike a little bit.
Yeah, there's some beautiful waterfalls at this location. Kayaking, whitewater kayaking, mountain biking, and dual sport. And that's our main goal, and hiking. It's hard to tell what we're going to get in. Let's shut the door there, sweetie.
All right.
And come along. We're going to bring you along with our adventure. Hopefully you get some entertainment and some information that you may want to go out and check out Ohiopyle. Thanks. Trailering this weekend.
No way, we're in style this weekend.
Unless we don't make it and it breaks down.
And then the video will be very short.
She is an old girl with 222,000 miles on her.
Still kicking.
Let's see if she starts.
I kind of feel like I have 222,000 miles on me too, so, I mean.
Wish it luck. All right, we're off.
Drive the Trail Seeker so that he can get a little bit of video. Now the problem is I am in this little, I can't stop because people keep coming behind me, and then I got a car that needs to go in the thing, and I don't know where Kenny is. I'm assuming he's maybe running down the road. Let's see if I can see him coming. So this is how the weekend adventures is going to be. I mean, it should be pretty interesting. Maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. Oh God, no, another truck's coming. How's that? Did you know you were gonna go run? I know, I had to keep moving. Did you see me?
No, I saw you coming this way. There we go. Good enough, sweetie. If not, I'll move it. What do we think?
Okay, so like I was saying, that waterfalls is a waterfalls that Kenny used to kayak over, I guess, until you broke your back.
I broke my back since the last time I went off of it.
Right, so I don't know if he'll do it again. But that's the waterfall. Yeah, it's pretty scary. I don't even like going up there just in case I fall and fall over.
So this is the store we always come usually eat and at least get our ice cream.
And now you can't eat inside, you can only eat outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they changed. But you can still get your ice cream in. Which
souvenirs. Oh, for sure.
what?
Okay, you want for the trail seeker?
Should I get this one?
I sleep around.
We already used up price.
Thank you.
And I'll take a scoop of mint chocolate chip on a waffle cone. Thank you.
They changed it.
Yeah.
You used to have kayakers and stuff on it. Oh, here's kayaker.
Can you see a high power?
Oh, imagine further away.
I don't know ice cream.
Catching a train.
Sometimes if you come, you can see him in that section over there doing kayak classes.
Uh-oh.
Now we got a fire.
Yeah, I remember, didn't you try to practice rolling over there? I thought you did.
I think I did.
No? So our campsite, we're not allowed in until 3:30.
3:30?
Is that what you said? What'd you say?
I think
3.
3. I don't know.
Drop something. So we came on down into town. We're staying at holy cow, train is loud. We're staying at the
Ohio State. Yep. Ohiopyle State Park. Campground.
Ohiopyle State. You have you're squirting. Ohiopyle State Campground. Park, whatever. But the good thing about that one is it's kind of right. It's a little bit of a drive to get up to it, but there's a trail that comes right down over the hill right into the park.
Remember that?
No, that's new. New trail at the Ohiopyle.
Nobody. Walking only.
That's
That's a parking area.
That's parking for what we have here at Ohiopyle that's unique than any other is the river circles around on itself. It's called the loop.
The loop.
You can go out kayak or double duck or single duck.
Or you can take a canoe. Well, you don't want to do a canoe.
Well,
Or
they do
you
canoes.
can take a
Exactly.
oh God. The black one, the shredder.
The shredders, yeah. But you can do a loop. Basically, you get in right below the falls. It's about a mile, I say, of a run. You get out, and then you actually come out right down here, right below. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but there's a trail right there.
Right where it has that little like tent sign to the left of that.
You'll come back out. You can either park your car or your shuttle right there, or you can just walk around and get back in and go again. So that's the loop. I will definitely be doing the loop. I don't know if Bob, my good friend Bob, is coming up. And we used to do the loop all the time. And I'm not sure, he's bringing his boat, but I'm not sure if we're going to have time to do it. But we're definitely going to show you the loop.
You guys should do the loop.
Okay.
And then we can go right up to the eat, or just eat here, go right up. You know what I mean? Like, I guess we're just see what Bob feels like doing.
Yeah. Bob has recently broke his neck. Is still
loop takeout.
Let me show you loop takeout. That's where you would get out of the loop. But Bob was racing actually GNCC, and he fell over and hit the top of his head and broke his neck. He was paralyzed for a month or so, but he has made a full recovery for the most part. But he's still a little scared about hitting his head, which I don't blame him. So we've done a little kayaking since then, but he's definitely into mountain biking, and he's going to come up and spend a little time. Bob and I used to spend a lot of time here at Ohiopyle, so it's going to be cool to get him back up here and spend some time with him.
Oh, we go. Oh my God.
Yeah,
15 minutes. It's 12 miles.
we can average 20 miles an hour.
Does it have gas?
Bob, what kind of boat you got in there?
I got a liquid.
You got a biscuit. So e-bike first. Say hi, Bob.
Hey.
We're doing a vlog.
A vlog.
Is that what it is?
Anniversary weekend vlog.
Anniversary
Is this gonna be on
edition.
the YouTube?
No, I promise.
Okay. What do you want? You want a bike, but they have to take the throttle off to rent them. So the throttle won't work until you're moving. It won't take you from the start.
You shouldn't even told her about the throttle. She's not going to pedal the whole way.
Over here at the rental, they took them off.
I'm going to pedal with someone.
You have to put your safety clip on that hat.
My bell rings and I don't even move. I'm not going to.
Don't use it until you get up here. You're going to crash. Oh, she's gonna be spoiled rotten after this ride. Well, I didn't know that Bob was even bringing it. I just loaded it up. Yeah, it's an e-bike, but we're going 20 miles an hour and I'm tired.
You don't get past much.
This is the middle Yough. The middle Yough is like a 1-2, so it's a real easy kayak or raft with very few fast-moving rapids. So if you was ever wanting to try your canoe or whatever, even your lake kayak would be fine coming down the middle Yough. Below the waterfall starts the lower Yough. Those are 3s, 4s. Hello.
Can you do it at the selfie stick?
Yeah.
So it's been 10 years, huh?
10 long
today.
freaking years. Man, I didn't think it was ever gonna make it.
Yeah, I mean, it was so like touch and go.
Yeah,
Whatever.
we barely made it. You remember, I think we went for it wasn't an e-bike ride, obviously, up at Davis was our first ride together.
I saw this big bear maybe out there on a,
Well,
your back
our,
glass was broke out or something.
oh yeah, we did. She had those clip-ons with her. She couldn't do too good.
Right.
I remember that because she had clip-ons.
We also bike ride around the Blue Hole. Did we go up in there?
No, it was there on Dogtown Road.
Yeah.
That was our very, very first ride together.
It's been nice to have e-bikes in them days.
Well, we did go to Blackwater. We went to, I mean, not Blackwater, but yeah,
Up
we
Davis.
went to
We was up
Blackwater,
Davis.
but Big Bear.
Yeah.
That's when we bought those 2 new bikes, the
Yeah.
ones you got now.
Davis?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't. They either they moved the bike shop. I don't think.
To the left, but
I was just there, bought this shirt a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
they bought it off of, we moved it to the west side of the
Yeah, it looks real nice in there. It's all brand new looking, you know.
Lunch. Beautiful day to eat outside.
Alright, thank you.
Well, how was your meal, sweetie?
It was good, Judy.
I had buffalo chicken wrap. It was pretty good.
Which I think I should have got that. I had to finish, but I think I should have went for the chicken.
Oh, it was delicious. What's that out there floating down the river?
It's like a beaver.
Oh, it's a duck.
Duck? Little baby duck.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Don't fall, Bob. There's water down there. Alright, sweetie. On the way back.
Alright.
Cruising on the old e-bikes. So this was 11 miles up. Got some dinner. Hung out with some awesome friends. I guess I can put my face on here. 11 miles up that way. Hung out with my good friend Bob. My awesome wife Heidi. And then 11 miles back. on the e-bikes, going about on the way up. It was about 15 miles an hour on the way up and about 18 miles an hour on the way back. Must be a little downhill. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Booty's a little sore. I think eventually your butt gets used to it, right? I don't know. You've been riding a lot, so has your butt gotten into it?
Mine?
Yeah.
It doesn't bother it none. Yours hurting?
A little sore. Just like that, I'm hot. That didn't take long. Where's your helmet like this, sweetie?
I have it in the camper.
Oh, do you? That's what Bob got you for wedding gift. I did. We've been down this river a few times. Well, I don't know if you should be nervous. Yeah, it's just very stiff to get on. Alright, here we go. Oh, that feels better.
Oh, there's Kenny. There's Bob. Bob's going down this little...
Where are you going?
Tongue, Kenny is going to go surf like I figured. Maybe not. He's coming to me. I thought you were going to surf or something. There's Bob. Alright, well, for video purposes, can you go back over there and like do something?
Good job, Bob! What are you doing now? I can tell you're nervous. Nice, Bob! Nice! Yeah. You need some help? You need some help? I'll try. Here, hold this paddle. Go over that way. I think so. I think you'll have to lift it up and turn it over.
I should come over there then.
Let me see. Yeah, I don't think you want to do it any other way. All right, I think I got a better pull here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's coming up. You guys might want to get ready to jump in it.
You guys actually get in it and get right here though. Sit on there and there. Toss the bag, then it up in the front.
Yeah, just make mine there, yeah. You guys got her. All right, here, you jump in. You jump in. Yeah, in the back. Right there. Hurry up. Okay, get on.
Hey, thank you.
Get your paddle. Get your paddle.
Okay. Give me the paddle, guys. Thanks, man.
Yep.
You're a lifesaver.
Hey, no problem. I think there's room in there for yours.
Put it in the car. I have to rest first.
Look at that thing. It's so heavy.
Oh, I can't straight arm.
It's so heavy.
I do have this problem since I got hurt that, like, if I can't, it takes me a long, like, I gotta straighten it back out. You know what I mean?
Legs and everything?
Yeah, yeah.
This is a little ranger station or whatever. There's the campground.
You're doing a good job. Gotta get your goggles on and everything. I don't think she wanted to go sign up.
We're supposed to put that in that little box. Checkout's at 3.
Okay.
So check-in is at 3 and check-out is at 3.
Oh, that's weird.
Hey, go! Watch that pole! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're gonna hit this pole. All right. All right. Well, if you want to put that back down, that's probably as far as you want to go. You might want to check it out.
Yeah, we may have to unhook that and then set the camper because it is not very level right there. So drop it there and maybe move the picnic table down.
Well, we can't. It has that beam on it.
This is the most unlevel spot I've ever seen.
It's like, what if we do the truck long ways?
This way?
Yeah.
And then pull it up on blocks on one side.
Can you do it with that tree? It might be the easiest, and then we can just have like a square thing.
Well, most would have been better.
To pull the box right there and the truck there.
And the truck here. You want to do that?
I mean, you can do whatever you want.
You want to do that? Alright, let's do that. So just pull the box trailer.
Anybody knows Kenny and I, it does not take us long to set up camp. And
record. I think
bam.
it was like 3 minutes.
I mean, Matt Herbatter would be cringing because he has to have everything perfectly level.
Oh, I never thought about our step up into our back.
We may need a step stool, so we just put it on a piece of wood.
Right here,
I mean, it's gonna be, we're gonna climb. It's fine. I mean, that's gonna be a little high. Kenny may have trouble getting in it, but I shouldn't.
Whatever.
I don't even think you have anything.
What are you doing over there?
This is like getting into your stupid truck.
Does your knees bend that far?
I don't even know how to get out.
Fall. We're looking for a lighter. That should do it. Now, let's see you come out.
Are you waiting for me to get hurt?
I hope you don't have to come out and pee in the morning.
I mean, is this all we have is this little ball?
Well, if I knew we was going to be on a cliff, I got a step for it, but. Nice.
Maybe
Good job, sweetie. Don't forget to turn all your lights on.
except for my headlight.
Headlights and your tail light.
No, except for my headlight.
Bugs? Don't want bugs in your eyes.
In that parking lot.
I thought he was going to park down where we did this morning.
Oh, is that where you want to park?
Are we going to be down there? Is it sitting on the river or what?
Wait, that river?
Yeah, like down
That's
there.
that's not what
Is that where you wanted to go?
I thought there was another pool, and but obviously they've taken that out.
No, there was never one there.
Well, I assumed
I mean, everything here is if you wanted to get more ice cream.
You're stuck on that ice cream.
It's up to you.
You want to get ice cream and go to the thing?
Let's go. Let's park down there and we'll just walk back up here.
I mean, I can get something besides ice cream.
Well, you can, but I'm
You
probably
want ice
not.
cream?
Yeah, just a small one. I guess we're going to try some pizza. It's a workout to get up here. Oh yeah, it said open.
Uh-oh.
Closed hours of operation.
6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Well, they have false advertisement out there.
Yeah, it's definitely not open. Hey man, let's see what's over here. Let's see the pizza. It's like a treasure hunt. I don't know. The delivery car don't look so good. Gooses. The gooses is more how close I can get. Pretty close. Quack, quack. I think they want some of our pizza. You stay over. So when we went off the falls, this is where we slid in at. Where it says danger, no one beyond this point.
Stupid people not going to go beyond this point.
Let's look at this pie.
And then Kenny said, I'm on it.
Oh yeah.
Let's take a picture.
Alright, enough of that. It's time to eat. What do you two want? You guys look like trouble. Are you a nice goose? Uh-oh, they're running away. Ah.
Not supposed to go. Back up.
Is that why you fed them to get them away from you? Come here, goosey, goosey. Come here, goosey, goosey. Come here, goosey, 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 goosey. Sweetie. You're not supposed to be feeding them.
Go.
Flat. Are you ducking and weaving? Why are you sticking your tongue out at me? Hey, you ever watch Trail Seeker Adventures? Check it out, you'll be on it. Yeah, Ohiopyle probably. Come on, you stupid thing.
What?
Oh, it's not working. You think it look good? Right here. Look at my camera.
Yeah.
So this is about going to do it for part one, day one of our 10-year anniversary trip to Ohiopyle.
Day 2 starts out with our hike to our favorite water hole. Then we grab a double ducky and hit some rapids.
The water gets kind of crazy, but Heidi is barely hanging on. Make sure you come back to watch at least that.
And check out our Dumb and Dumber
moments. And then also we get our dual sports out and we go for our dual sport ride. Make sure you come back and check us out. Thanks for watching.